Hello! If you are looking for a small, portable and foldable desk, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this desk so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. Alright, let's unbox this small foldable desk and see what we've got. Right away, I love how well everything is packaged. Everything is neatly secured, and look at this, each piece is labeled with numbers and letters, making the setup process even easier. The company also provided detailed instructions, so I already know assembly will be a breeze. Now, let's put this desk together. And wow, this is super easy. With the clear instructions and labeled pieces, I had to set it up in just about 15 minutes. No complicated tools, no frustration, just unfold, secure, and you're good to go. Now let's test it out. So my husband and I built it together, and the whole installation process took us around 15 minutes. And I also want to mention that instruction was very clear. All of the pieces has been labeled with the numbers and letters, and also very thoughtful that they gave you extra bolts and screws just in case some of other ones going missing. One of the things I love about this desk is how easy it folds. When unfolded, it's a sturdy and reliable workspace, perfect for everyday use. But when you don't need it, just fold it flat to about 2.5 inches deep and tuck it away in a corner or under a bed, perfect for small spaces. The build-up quality is impressive. The table does not wobble at all thanks to the well-calculated stable structure. The surface is smooth and durable, making it great for working, writing, or even crafting. It's compact, yet strong enough to handle everyday tasks. This is my go-to desk when I need a quick workspace. If you're working from home and don't want a permanent bulky desk, this is such a game changer. It fits my laptop, a notebook, and a cup of coffee. Everything I need for a productive session. Beyond the home office, this desk is super versatile. Here are some other ways you use it. It could be a great meal table for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. Easy to set up, fold, and move around. It also could be a perfect space for hobbies like crafting, painting, or puzzle solving. It's also a quick pop-up table for picnics or outdoor use. Even a kid's sturdy desk, compact yet spacious enough for learning activities. Overall, I absolutely love this folding desk. It's compact, stylish, easy to set up, and incredibly sturdy. So whether you need a quick workspace, a meal table, or a hobby station, this desk checks all of the boxes. And when you're done, just fold it away. No clutter, no hassle. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.